So if you're joining this latest video, I'm starting to work on the cleats. I'll put a picture up on screen of the real HMS Victory so you can see what we're talking about. And it's just a section of ropes that tie around the masthead through the brackets and hang down, and they're attached to the triple blocks of the mast that's going to hold the main yard on. In the official build on the from the magazines, it tells you just to tie 3 strands of 0.8 brown obviously rope around this section. I don't think it looks that very nice, so I decided to do it a different way. And I thought, obviously, see, as we've got this time over on lockdown to probably do a few more videos that I wouldn't have normally done, I decided to film it. So anyway, hope you enjoy it. So I've just been working on adding these cleats for the strops of the jeer block, and I thought it'd be quite an interesting video this, because in the official build it doesn't quite explain this very good. So the first thing I did, obviously, I just take just a little offcut of the same thickness of the upper mast we're using, and I just glued on a little spacer just so I can get an equal distance, and I'll just fix that in between. And just using a little bit of tissue masking tape just to temporarily hold it in place. So now I'm just taking 100mm of 0.5 black thread. In the instructions it tells you to use brown, but obviously I've been trying that one, so I didn't think it looked very nice, so just using the black instead. And all I've done, just to make it a little bit easier just to thread through the bracket, I've just super glued the end. So first all I'm going to do is I'm going to push the first end through this bracket. It's still a little bit tricky, there's not much play. And obviously when it's sticking slightly through, just get all your tweezers, just grab the end and pull it pretty much all the way right to the end, and then just stick that up there out of the way and just secure it with a little peg so we can pull that tight and that's not going to fall off. So now I'm just going to slightly start to wrap this round, but we need to make sure, let me just show you this, turn it around. It's on every turn, we need to make sure we're underneath the bracket, so it's going to come like that. So I'll put this back in. Yeah, so this is obviously underneath the bracket. I just need to feed it in again, make sure we're lower than the first bit of cord, and then we can pull that tight. Just go around and just make sure, yeah, we're running underneath. And then just keep repeating the process until we've used all the thread up, which is around about 6 turns. So I've just fed the 6th one through and the last one. So I'm just going to bring it round, pretty much stop there, and just stick it up top of the last one. So now I just want to turn the mast so it's facing out. It back up, and obviously then we can just remove these 2 pegs, 1 peg, sorry, and now we'll just left these 2 loose pieces of thread. I'm just going to tie a knot in. It's not going to be no fancy knot, I'm not really experienced enough to show people how to use knots, so I'm obviously don't really know enough about myself, so I'm just going to tie you with just a basic knot. I'm just going to seal this knot, just a little dab of super glue. And just leave that to dry. So now after letting the glue dry, we can just remove this temporary spacer. And I can slightly just readjust this, get a nice position. Look at it from the front, get a nice, obviously crisscross effect. Obviously it's better when it's pulled taut, and we'll do that in a minute on the other side. So now it's time to move on to fitting this triple jeer block, and that's been made up pretty much in the same way, just using some of the 0.5 black thread. One of the hardest things I've ever found is when I've done shipbuild before, is getting all these blocks to line up pretty much the same height. Sometimes even if it's just like a mill, hangs down a mill lower than the next one, and it just looks so odd. So what I decided to do, I've just taken a little piece of 5mm scrap and I've just cut a little channel out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just sit this jeer block into this channel and then just put a bit of tape over to secure it. And what I've found is when we bring it under the cross trees, we can feed this cable up through these cleats we just fitted, and we can bring it over. Then what'll happen is with this block we just fitted onto this piece of wood, it can't go, you see that, it can't just turn this round. It can't actually be pulled any more than 5mm. And I did exactly the same with the other one, so if you look, they're pretty much going to hang 5mm on both sides. So like I say, you can pull that as much as you want, and it's not going to pull these any higher than 5mm. So like I say, same again, I'm just going to use a very basic knot. Like I say, this is my first, obviously, shipbuilding 20 years, so it's probably one of the things I need to improve. And obviously that's me, obviously knots for my rigging, but that'll come in time. There's so much to obviously relearn. Just tied that all up. Try again. And as you just pull it tight, that's going to hold that nice there. And once you're happy with the final position, this jeer block, then you can just secure this knot. Just a little dab of super glue, as we did before. And just take your craft knife and just take off the excess glue. And that obviously block can now come free. Obviously when this is all obviously rigged up, these are put under tension, they're going to be held. So I've just removed it out of the clamps. Now you can see that these are quite vertically hanging at the same distance. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, it's normally a video I want to record, but obviously when I was doing this side I thought, oh yeah, people might find that interesting, especially when you come to do this yourself on this build. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time.